This is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off your game updates on your PlayStation 5. So if you don't want your games updating without your knowledge or something like that, or you want to stay on the current version of like the system software, well, this is easy to do on your PS5. Go up to settings, and I'm going to show you how to disable the software updates for your system first. So let's go to system right here, go to system software. Go to System Software Update and Settings. So maybe if you're running a different version of the PlayStation OS, well, you can disable the updates right here. Download update files automatically, uncheckmark this. Install update files automatically, uncheckmark this as well. Then we can go back, and then we want to go to Power Saving, go to Features Available in Rest Mode, and what we could do is just disconnect from the internet when we're in rest mode. While in rest mode, your PS5 can download update files. Just uncheckmark that. Maybe we're not even using that, but most of the time, if you don't want anything to update, you press the PlayStation button, then go to Power and go to Turn Off. You don't want to go to rest mode. It says it will download update files and suspend your games. Now, you might want to do that, but you can just go to Disconnect from Internet under Power Saving. Then we want to go to Save Data in Game App Settings right here. And then go down to automatic updates, and this one will be for your specific games. It says you can let your PS5 automatically download and install the latest versions of your games and apps. Auto download. Just uncheckmark this. Your PS5 will check for the latest updates. And then we have auto install in rest mode. If you're using a game or app's being updated, it will close to allow the game files to be installed. So just go to those like 6 or 7 different settings, and your PS5 won't be updating without you manually clicking on them. So now you're going to have to go to the game, press options on it, and there will be an option to check for update right here. So let's go to Call of Duty and just see if there's an update. Looks like it's up to date. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.